Today, the Bitcoin price just dumped below the 200-day moving average. Today, we will discuss with DavinciJ15 why the crucial level of $8,461 is important for the Bitcoin price, why we have to not only hold it, but also quickly bounce from it if we reach that specific level. We will talk about exact price targets to the downside and also to the upside after the bounce. So make sure you take a seat. Make sure you smash up the like button right now. And that being said, welcome crypto friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we want to come to the most important question of today. DavinciJ15, how are you doing today, my man?
I'm doing great, man. I woke up 5 a.m. this morning. I've been waking up 5 a.m. every morning this week to work out. I want to be strong and fit like Arnold Schwarzenegger over here.
Oh, Da Vinci, I don't know if you already made that because like your skin is bright like AF, man. It's crazy. You're waking up in the morning. You are doing videos every day, also over on your channel. Link given down in the description down below. Big shout out to you, man. Continue hustling, man. It's just crazy to see that. The energy you are giving here to the video is just like 5 times than 1 or 2 months before. That being said, let's go into the Bitcoin price because crazy stuff is happening right now. The price actually dumped below the 200-day moving average the second time, and that's bearish AF actually. So there is still a little bit of a light in the horizon, and we want to talk about that. May you let us know, Da Vinci, what specific level can save us from the apocalypse, and yeah, what is going to happen with the Bitcoin price in the immediate short term?
Well, let's take a look at, let's bring up the chart of Bitstamp first, right? And as you can see, this line here, if we come in here, I think that's danger zone. This is called the point of control. If the market comes down into the point of control, oh my God, this is disaster. I mean, you could put your palms to your face and go, oh my God, no. Basically, there's an 80% chance we're gonna have to retest down here in the yeah. I know, in the 7,600 level. Oh
that sounds so horrible. But I mean, Da Vinci, when I'm looking at that chart right now and I'm seeing the VPVR, yesterday I was still a little bit asking myself, yeah, why are you bringing that up? But in this case, we can see this actually held significance. As the Bitcoin price was going below 9,000, we can see that at that exact gap also Bitcoin literally jumped and dumped down to the next VPVR support right there at, I don't know, like approximately $8,650 and bounced from it, probably from people who bought in at that specific price levels. So yeah, what do you think? What is happening with the Bitcoin price? You mentioned previously to the video here that the 61.8, the $8,461 are a very important level.
Yes, it is. I think Bitcoin has to respect this level earnestly. Cannot get into the point of control on the VPVR or the volume profile, and it's got to bounce. It can close right down here. We can close right around here. That's fine. We can't break the 61.8 level. We have to hold it. That's got to be the line in the sand for the traders. And hopefully the buyers come in and pick this up on a discount. I don't mind if we spend the weekend here filling this hole here, this whole notch. That would be preferable. We fill this notch, we come in, we bounce back and forth a little bit on the weekend, and then break above the 13 MA again before we go into Monday. If we go into Monday without breaking above the 13 MA, oh man, that's not good. It's not the end of the world, but it's not good, right? So, the traders are going to be looking for shorts all the way through. If we open up below the 13 MA on Monday, so right? That's Sunday UTC time at midnight UTC time. So
what you are basically saying right now is that I mean, we have 3 days left to reach 9,700 again. And what you're saying, it makes sense because especially the 13 EMA, it held significance as resistance and support previously in the history of price action. So you say we have 3 days left, and even though we are going down to 8,461, you would like to see a massive bounce. Let's say you are in no position right now. Would you open a short position once we go below, or would you open a long position once we have a confirmed bounce from this level? What is your game plan actually right now?
Well, I do have a position going to be open up. I'm going to have to bring up my Bybit account. I mean, not the account, but at least the trade from Bybit. Hang on, let me just stick this here. And this is my Bybit short that I was looking at. I was interested at, but I didn't get in on that. So so don't look at that. I was just contemplating the short, and it looks like it would have been a nice short. Yes. So I'm looking to get in. I think am I already in at 86.41 is where I'm looking to get in. I want to get in before the 61.8, which is right about here. Let me just put it right there.
Wait, DaVinci, that is the exact price level you mentioned yesterday. As you said that you are planning to set some limit buy orders, blind buy orders actually, in case the Bitcoin price breaks to the downside. Everyone wants to see that. It was in the video yesterday. Is that exact price level you mentioned yesterday, right?
Exactly. That's the price level I mentioned yesterday. And the reason why is because this is a little bit of a traffic area. We've got the 61.8 ready to hold us. And also the 4-hour 200 period moving average should be coming up to that point as well and prove as a little bit of resistance for this move. There's a 3% loss. I could suffer a 3% loss on this. I plan to take this probably into the gap and hold it to the gap. I think we've hit the bottom here. We needed to punish these people, these longs here that tried to get in and hope for the takeoff, because I mean I think all these what's it called, perpetual swaps, so derivatives, basically derivative markets are trading against us. This market should have went higher and it didn't. Yeah, so I wouldn't be surprised. Actually, you know what, I might take profits here. You know what, I honestly, that'd be just dumb. Now that I think about it, all the way up here is just, it's possible. It's just that this is better, because I think we're going to close the market out somewhere between 10,000, the year out, sorry. We're going to close the year out somewhere between 10,000 and 9,000 level before we see the 11,000 gap, futures gap. So I'm probably going to close this out somewhere in this area here. I'm going to wait and let the market tell me what to do. If I am in this trade and I'm still in this trade whilst it gets and I don't get stopped out. If I don't get stopped out, if I do get stopped out, I'm looking to get back in at the 88.6.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, that'd be disastrous.
Right now, that would be it would be horrible. Right now, you still have your blind buy order without that trading plan. You mentioned that yesterday at 8,650-ish US dollars. I wish you good luck to get that filled, because I mean the risk return ratio of that looks actually pretty nice. And shout out to you. I mean, that was brave. Actually, me myself yesterday, I thought, why are you opening that buy orders right there? But it made a lot of sense. I thought actually with that massive move, supported with a lot of volume, and the 200-day moving average being surpassed and also held above, the price was actually pretty bullish. Just as you said, it was actually meant to go up, but some powers actually, some exogenous powers pulled the price down. So shout out for you. And yeah, you are planning to close the position at 9,365 US dollars because you do not want to get greedy, right?
Exactly. I think I'm not going to hold this position that long. I really don't think that with this dump, there's going to be a lot of technical damage, and we're going to have to see what happens. If we bounce back higher right away before Monday, maybe I'll give it till Tuesday. Yeah. But if we don't, I might close the position at a smaller win. So it all depends on what happens over the next little while.
You know what? the market is shaking crazily, like so many people are shaken out. I could imagine that your long actually works out. And also you have the 61.8, you have the 200 period moving average, and you have a lot of things on your side. So DaVinci, I wish you the best of luck for that long trade. I will make a little bit of analysis myself with the team, and we will decide whether we enter it or not. But first of all, yeah, congrats to you. Thanks for the face mode, and everyone who is interested in that, we will share the specific trading plan in our Telegram group. The Telegram group, if you ask yourself how much it is $0. In 1 year it will be $0. In 5 years it will be $0. It will be always for free for each and every one. So go to the link in the description, click it. DaVinci is there. It is all our common Crypto group with more than 11,000 people. Very lovely. We share the link there, and you can yeah, check out that trading plan yourself and make your own educated decisions. If you want to trade it on a leverage exchange, if you know what it is, if you know how to use it, we have a collaboration on going on with Bybit, and you can actually get $60 for free by depositing 0.2 Bitcoin. And if you are subscribed here only with our link, we have a few surprises coming up for you guys in the very immediate short term. So make sure you check it out. It is for free, nothing changes, only you get the bonus. So and here you type in your email address and your password, basically, which is 20 seconds. Back to you, DaVinci, the lovely DaVinci face. So your game plan is right now to enter the Bitcoin long position at 8,650 and close it at 9,360. So you mentioned one important thing, and you said you think the year will not be closed way above 10,000, like not even at 11,000, which is kind of bearish, but still, like looking at January, February, man, we have like a 200% increase at least then, or even more. So this is pretty bullish, guys. So the moon boys are alive. Do not look at the very short term. Do not look at the hourly candles, at the 4-hour candles if you want to judge bulls or bears. Bitcoin is a bullish asset still. It is still in the growth phase. So that is actually a very good thing. Is there anything else you want to mention, DaVinci?
No, I think that yeah, I only think that that we should for next year we should be doing some amazing things. I think Bitcoin will probably pump into the halvening, but let's see. Hopefully, if it breaks the all-time high, then yeah, we're going to be seeing some serious fireworks well above after the halvening, and we'll dump a little bit, but it won't last very long. That would be your only opportunity to get onto this rocket ship at a low price.
It's so cool, man. I would love to just like go asleep and wake up in May or like in June or so. Like, oh, that will be amazing. So everyone out there, let us know what you think about that. What do you think? Yeah, will the Bitcoin price be in the end of this year? DaVinci mentioned like 10, 11,000. There is a poll popping up on top of the screen right now. Make sure you click it and you take part, and leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. And of course, guys, liking is for free. Like this video, and it gives us a huge amount of pleasure. That being said, DaVinci, thank you so much for joining us. Everyone interested in Pandora's Wallet, there is a link in the description down below and in the pinned comment. Make sure you click it. It's 30 days for free. You can get it extended, and yeah, you can basically use the most beautiful product in the world completely for free. I mean, like at least for 30 days. That's the best thing you can actually do right now. So go there. Thanks, DaVinci. Any last words before we wrap it up?
Yeah, play from a position of strength, just like I am doing, and don't get wrecked.
Do not get wrecked, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other very, very soon at the next one of Crypto, most probably tomorrow. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.
Don't tell.